We have a nice Acura here with the 5-part cubed headlight. We call them ice cubes. The owner wanted them perfect, so here they were starting to yellow, white clouds or whatever. Color's really clean, but the headlights made it look older. If you don't think they need to be done, wait till you see the finished product. So here we go. Look at that. Like diamonds, right? Crystals. 5 crystals in those lights. Look how gorgeous they are. There's the other one that was worse. And that looks great too. We're located in South Florida. Give us a call or text us your pictures. 754-302-0769. We're in Broward, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach. We come to you. We do it at your work, home, office. Just give us a call.